mite mone ringre mano mar Albert Ojwang. Nyakwaro Ojwang aparon mane mwadhi achiel kachiel wawinjo naka nyasi makamano dhi mbele.
I welcome each and every one of us. We also thank God for Ridgeway Baptist, the leadership of Ridgeway Baptist, for giving us this opportunity to have this service held here. I also take this opportunity to speak words of comfort to the family, that the Lord may see you through this difficult time. As we started the service, that the Lord is our shepherd, we are praying that He may continue to shepherd you all through the entire process until we come to the end of this, because He's the Alpha and the Omega and He knows everything. Without wasting any more time, I am here to bring to us the President of the Baptist Convention of Kenya, who is going to speak to us from here on. So I would like to ask all of us to stand as we bring the President to come and speak to us. Let's put up together.
Let's have our seats. Bwana Yesu asifiwe sana. Thank you very much, Reverend Mwangi, for the opportunity. Thank you very much, Pastor Larry. Thank you very much, Pastor Eric. Thank you very much, Blessed Worship Team, for leading us very well this morning. I want to take this opportunity, first of all, to thank Almighty God that has enabled us to be able to gather here at Ridgeway Baptist Church today. As you heard my name, I'm Reverend Tubuya Bennett, the President of the Baptist Convention. This Baptist Convention sometimes wengine hawasikia ni magani. Bwana asifiwe sana. Baptist Convention is the umbrella body for all Baptist churches across this country. And we want to take this opportunity to welcome all of us here at Ridgeway Baptist Church. And we also want to appreciate Ridgeway Baptist Church today for hosting us. Before maybe I say some few things that I want to make the remarks, I want to bring some two people to say hello to us briefly, and I'll be able to say some few things that will guide us as we move on today. We have a pastor from Malindi that have been the pastor of the late Albert, our church in Malindi, and also been the pastor of our brother Mesha. I want to give him a minute just to say hello to us. Then after that, we're also having the Secretary General of the Evangelical Churches in Kenya, Reverend Nandega. We also give him a minute. Then after that, I'll convey the condolence from the Baptist Convention of Kenya. Then after that, we'll be able to give the direction on how we are going to be giving our tributes today. Karibu Pastor.
Bwana Yesu asifiwe. My name is Arthur Bigo Wanji. Mesha Kopio amekuwa mshirika wangu, deacon wa kwangu wa nguvu, ambaye amenisaidia kusimamisha kanisa from 2016 tulipokuwa ordained by my brother Pastor Wanji, and from there he has been a very wonderful person in my life. Ameinua maisha yangu wakati nilipokuwa ninapata shida ya kuongoza hilo kanisa. Jua katika kanisa la Vishambani na wengi ni wa kabila moja, inakuwa ni vigumu kabisa kuwaongoza watu. Lakini nilipokuwa na huyu kutoka Nyanza katika kundi langu, amekuwa msaada mkubwa. Namshukuru, amelisimamisha kanisa na nimesikitika kuona kwamba
Nyakwaro Ojwang mano nyasi madhi nyime alam ne ringre mano mar Albert Ojwang. Nyasi mabende timbre kanisa mong'ere kaka Ridgeway Baptist Church mantiere e apaya mano ma Kiambu Road. Nyawadwa Ifinya Kidi nitiere alama kamano e weche mag